everyone, this is Kathy Lean with BK Crypto Crusher. Now, we didn't get a chance to talk last week because I was away for the Easter holidays, but not much has changed, honestly. A lot of the cryptocurrencies are still range bound, although it does seem like the range has pulled itself lower a bit, in the sense that we're looking at Bitcoin, and you can see here that, there's a general kind of, it's a little hard to gauge, but there's a general kind of downward sloping channel happening in Bitcoin. Crypto Crusher caught some sell trades in Bitcoin, which I'll show you, that only hit the first target because ultimately it's not a huge move. But we are below all of the major moving averages. We have this downward sloping channel, and I do believe that it's going to want to come lower towards the bottom of that channel. So at least below 38,000 and probably closer to the 37,000 mark. So this is the new range that I'm looking for Bitcoin to be trading in. Ethereum is also moving lower, and I think we can see a similar downward sloping channel in Ethereum as well. Once again, not much has happened except for trading ranges widening over the past week. But, we're in a downtrend, and I think that, Bitcoin, which is pulled lower on Ethereum, which is pulled lower on Friday, should continue to extend its losses to at least 2,800 and probably down to 2,715. Binance is not as active as the other instruments. It's, on a percentage basis, it's kind of doing the same, but I would say that minimally, you can see from this chart here that it's just kind of grinding. And I think here 380 and 410 seem to be the widened range for Binance. And I think it's just kind of moving between these levels. And I think, that's what I'm watching. I don't expect, it's probably going to move lower, but I don't expect a huge move. Litecoin. With Litecoin, it is weaker than some of the other instruments. I would say that with Litecoin in general, what you're seeing here is we've got a situation where, we don't necessarily see that same downward sloping channel, but what we do see here is that it's, kind of below all of the major moving averages, and looks like it wants to make another move below 100. So, we'll have to see how that pans out. Solana also different structure from Bitcoin and Ethereum, where we don't have that downward sloping channel. We have a significant support level that we're holding right above, which is this 94.50 mark. And I think that that's quite important. I think that's something that, we're going to be keeping our eyes on for Solana. I think, if the other instruments are moving lower as well, I do believe that this could also break to the downside. So keep your eyes open because there is downside risk with Solana here. But when it breaks, though, we talked about how crypto loves to target the next key levels, and for Solana, it's an easy move down to 90 from 94.50 and then down to 85. Luna, we have that downward sloping channel in Luna where, well, maybe not from there, but maybe from, it's definitely a support level that we're seeing over here. And if it breaks below 84.70, I think we should see a deeper slide down to 80 for Luna. Cardano is also looking like it's under pressure. Support for Cardano is down at 77.50. And that's a huge support level. I think Cardano is definitely eyeing that level. But if it gets down there, it'll probably hold. Polkadot, also, pretty significant support level, not far from here. I would say down over here at about 16. I do believe that it wants to drift lower towards 16. I do think that it could slip to that level. How it behaves beyond there remains to be seen. But for now, the other cryptos look like they're soft. So I do think that that one in particular could slip lower. Sorry, this is Polkadot that we're looking at, not Cardano. Cardano is similar structure as well. Cardano over here, we've got last support at 77.50. Looks like it could drift lower down to 77.50 and possibly find some support down around that range. What else do we have? We also have Ripple. Ripple, very, very bearish. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 out of 10 days of weakness. Now, we are coming to a very significant support zone, at which point it'll probably bounce. I would say somewhere around between 60 cents and 58 cents. So we might spike down towards level and bounce over there. And I do think, that could happen with Cardano. Doge, that was supported by Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter. And so it popped upwards. It's just kind of consolidating. I think that for the most part, it's going to hold on to its bid. I don't really expect too much movement with regards to Doge, but I think unlike the other currency pairs where there seems to be a lower drift, it definitely seems like Doge is in a different type of situation. Last but certainly not least, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, lower highs, lower lows coming down here. There's a spike low here at spot 0.000230, and that's going to be where support is, along with the 2100 mark over here. It looks like it should just continue to drift lower on this front. All right, so that's basically what we're looking at for the week ahead. Probably more continued weakness. As you know, crypto loves to track risk appetite. So if you're trading crypto, make sure you're watching the risk appetite moves in the market. This is Kathy Lean with BK Crypto Crusher. I look forward to speaking to you again.